Hi besties! Let's make one pan meal for dinner. I use salted salmon fish, so I put sakto na lang. Okay, kumot-kumot the baking sheet. Okay, then put our veggies, onion, moyashi, enoki mushroom, carrots, or other mushroom or any vegetable you have in your house. This is good for freezer stocks also, so you can make it in batches. That way you can have food easily when you have zero energy to cook after work or if you're busy. And the good thing is I learned this recipe from a Japanese dietitian, and I'm really hoping to lose weight while doing all of this. But I am also breastfeeding, so I'm sticking for the easy prep and for the balanced, nutritious meal. This is totally a lifesaver for our family. I just get all the frozen ready-to-eat meal that I prepped before, boil in a pan with more side dishes for 15 minutes and do the sauce, and we're done. I will share more Japanese easy meals that I learned, so you can follow me for more.
Easy, one pan meal, or microwave meal that I wish somebody taught me sooner. It will need cutting, so make this in batches for freezer stock. This is a lifesaver, especially when you come home from work. All you need to do is boil in a pan or into the microwave for a hot, delicious dinner. Marinate. If you have time, you can also make this adobo flavor or spicy. All depends to your taste. I am really grateful to learn Japanese cooking style. You just need to prepare once in the weekend, then chill the rest of the week. You can also make this a bonding activity with your kids. And just like that, this is freezer good meal, so can eat in no time. You can add side dishes too. If you don't have microwave, you can boil this for 15 minutes in a pan. You can also add cheese if you want. And there you have it. Easy balanced hot meal. Let's check the pan-boiled meal. Smells and looks good too. Save and follow for more easy Japanese meals.
Hello besties! Magluto po tayo ng napakadaling stir-fried pork with tartar sauce. Ilagay lang po ang pork strips sa pan at lagyan ng cornstarch or katakuriko kung meron kayo. At lutuin na po natin sa kaunting mantika lang po hanggang maluto na po siya both sides. Saka ihalo na po natin ang ating mga seasonings. 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin, and sake. Takpan po natin at halu-haluin hanggang sa maging glossy na po yung kanyang itsura. Gawa naman po tayo ng topping, so maglagay ng 4 na itlog, so pwedeng i-microwave na, lalagyan at butasan sa gitna. Isa po ito sa natutunan kong paraan para mas mapabilis ang pagluto ng boiled egg. Mabilis at napakadali lang. Sana ay nalaman ko po ito dati pa. So ilagay na po natin sa plate ang ating mga pagkain para i-serve. O, diba? Ang dali-dali lang. Siguradong matutuwa ang mga asawa ninyo, mga best! Kung gusto niyo po ng mga Japanese easy recipes, follow for more! Hello besties! Gawa tayo ng SHOMAI na Japanese style. Napakadaling gawin, hindi na kailangan mag-cut at gumamit ng kutsilyo, diretso na po sa lutuan. Ipaghahalo-halo lamang po ang lahat ng ingredients sa loob ng pan. Sa po ito sa paraan para kaunti lang ang hugasin na gustong-gusto ng mga Haponesa. At meron po itong tofu at moyashi, kaya po merong konting crunch at health benefits. O diba, ang galing talaga ng mga Haponesa gumawa ng mga recipe na madali lang gawin at saka practical. Kaya siguro marami silang oras na gumawa ng ibang bagay tulad ng pagpapaganda dahil kaunti lang yung oras na ginugugol nila sa kusina dahil nga maganda yung mga teknik nila. O tapos na mga best, ang dali-dali lang. O tingnan nyo yan. Crunchy yan, tapos juicy. O i-adjust nyo na lang yung sausawan sa mga panlasa ninyo, di ba best? O, sa mga gustong matuturin ng mga Japanese style na pagluluto or recipe, follow for more.